So here I'm very eager to listen to Dolly, so I think she should start the conversation by telling all of us about her journey.
Choosing draping, I think, I don't know, I think sometimes I feel I didn't choose draping. Draping came up to me. You know, the word quarantine came to us when COVID hit. I literally quarantined myself for 6 months until I got my first Limca record. I've been a part of this sale for almost 7-8 years, and I think my first black outfit, fully embellished, was from this sale. I had worn it for a party. Literally everybody, Alka, not kidding, everybody came up to me and they said, what a beautiful outfit.
I have a few of my mom's, means my nannies and her mothers, those real gold brocade sarees and the Banarsis. And I was just wondering, how do I store it? If you could just give us a one tip or two steps.
You just keep changing the fold of the saree. Always make sure that you put one absorbent inside that so that the moisture is absorbed. Make sure you use no newspapers inside, because everything has got ink. And never ever iron your saree and keep them. Never. This is a wrong practice, because every time when you're going to wear it, you will make sure that those lines are gone. So you're double the time putting heat in your saree. So extra heat, extra damage. And even if you have to iron it, please make sure you keep a malmal cloth on top and then iron it. No direct heat, no direct iron.
So when you pick up a saree, any saree, what do you think? A saree is like a perfume you put at your pulse points or a weapon of your choice?
For me, it is definitely a weapon. The moment I wear a saree and I step into the airport, people go like literally give me a second glance, and if they don't know who I am, she must be a politician. She's a high-profile lady. Because when saree comes, it comes with a lot of power and respect. That is the reason teachers, lawyers, advocates, ministers, all of them, all of these high-profile females, we see them all in a saree. Why not in a coat and a blazer and anything? Because no, saree gives you respect instantly you walk into a room. So for me, it's the strongest weapon to prove yourself. Hey, don't mess with me.
The way you walk, the way you drape that saree is what makes the big difference. So during the day, you won't find it draped like this. You find it draped very differently. And as Dolly said, it's not the saree. For me, I could be wearing the same saree in the first half of the day. What changes, of course, from the very powerful blouse in the morning to a very hot blouse in the day. So, if we are able to move through this zone, I think it's a very beautiful zone. What matters are the drapes and the accessories that go along with the saree.
Would like to understand a little bit about the blouses.
I'm just coming up with my own blouses because I understood, how I understood the power of the underskirt. But people, the petticoat, but people said that buy any designer saree, mummy का petticoat पहनना कुछ दिखता नहीं है. I said दिखता नहीं है, but सारा care उसी का है. If you're not feeling happy and comfortable and confident from within, it will show. Now petticoats are now called petticoats. Blouses will be called the choli.
It's great to hear you from Dolly because I'm a big fan of yours. And the coat is my personal favorite, you can say, because मैं भी बहुत साड़ी पहनती हूँ और अब बिना रिकोट के साड़ी नहीं पहनती हूँ. Yes.
You reuse a lot of my
I know.
I keep wearing them. I don't need an occasion to wear sarees. I create an occasion to wear sarees. I keep telling people that आपने साड़ी एक बार पहनने के लिए खरीदी है, नहीं ना, तो उसे दोबारा पहनने में शर्म कैसी?
We had such a beautiful, inspiring session of their Diva Drapes, where everything was spoken from the heart by the Divas and talking about it.